Hello you guys, I'm coming to you with a real short video about adding a liner into your bags, because I have these little boxes and these little bags, and I'm gonna do some gift sets with that, they're flimsy. But what I discovered is that your gift boxes that you buy for the holidays to wrap your gifts in, this paper, one of the sacks had a liner. So this is the same thing that was in the sack, but it's the same paper that the boxes are made of, even the thinness of it. And it's better than me trying to cut a hard box, trying to whip it into shape. Actually, the flap on the box is already pretty much the width that you need. See this? You just have to cut a little bit off. Probably that much. I don't know if you can see that. See, about right there. And then, you cut it the height and the width you need. But anyway, you're going to get at least 2 of them out of here. And I don't believe in wasting too much of anything. I don't like wasting anything, so anyway, I can get 2 of these flaps out of there. I got 6 gifts I need to do the insert for. These little boxes here, I think I'm just going to use, the corners of this same gift box is almost the size for this box. And I kind of already tore off the corners of the box. So let's see if it'll fit. This one's kind of flimsy, but we're going to try it anyway. So the corners of the gift box, and I think this size box is a, let me see what it says on the package. It is a 3 inch by 3 inch by 2.25 inch. So it went in there pretty good. Really don't have to add anything to it. I got a little space over there, but other than that, I think it suffices. And I didn't even have to cut it out. All I did was tear off the flaps of the box from the inside, and it gave me this little piece here. So, and then this is what I put in this box here. But for this size, I'm going to have to cut this size that I need. Like I said, you can get 2 out of each side, really. Maybe out of you might could get 3 out of the longer side of this gift box. See that? You can probably get 3 of those. At least, yeah, I'm sure you can. So you just slide it down and cut it as you need it. You got 3 fillers. So anyway, that's my video. It's just a little quick, interesting hack I discovered just now, because I have thicker boxes and I got my little X-Acto knife and everything ready, but I do not want to put any muscle elbow grease into it. I don't want to be straining up just to cut these little flaps. I want to hit it and quit it and be through with it. So, but anyway, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to my video. I'm not on camera today, maybe tomorrow. I'm going to start making videos every day of the gifts that I'm making for the holidays. So I'm kind of in my prepping mode. I got to cut my boxes, and I got to get me some bows pre-made, and so that's going to be it for me. So anyway, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe again. Peace.